at this point permit me to stand on the already existing protocol. My goodwill message will be very brief, as I do not have the whole time to enumerate and catalog the lifetime of the celebrant of the day, but just to say who I know as Aminu Waziri Tambuwal. Our path crossed in the 7th House of Representatives 2011 to 2015, when Right Honorable Aminu Waziri Tambuwal was overwhelming with Right Honorable Aminu Waziri Tambuwal, with overwhelming support of the House membership, pull a smart one against forces bent on influencing the House on who to choose as our speaker. The rest of the drama that followed is history. During his tenure as our speaker, Honorable Tambuwal of the 7th Assembly ensured that all the women were assigned prominent roles and positions of either as chairperson of committees or deputies. We were fully engaged, with my humble self serving as the chairperson of Constituency Outreach Committee, even though as a first-time member of the House. After serving as a speaker and having performed spectacularly well, Right Honorable Amin Waziri Tambuwal was elected governor of Sokoto State 2015 to 2023. Excellency Tambuwal's administration in Sokoto State represents a turning point in the history of Sokoto State through deliberate policies, landmark legislation, bold appointments, etc. His government entrenched women inclusion in government, public administration, education, and legal protection. We've just heard in the documentary that for the first time in the history of Sokoto State, the Tambuwal administration appointed 3 women simultaneously as commissioners, and not only that, 4 women as key special advisors. Within the state civil service, the administration significantly elevated women to position as permanent secretaries and director generals across MDAs. And at the grassroots level, Right Honorable Waziri Aminu Tambuwal positioned 97 women councillors across the state. This level of inclusion in politics and governance achieved during his tenure, the tenure of Governor Aminu Waziri Tambuwal, have never been done from the creation of Sokoto State till date, period of 50 years. Kudos to you, sir. In conclusion, Mr. President and Chairman of the occasion, let me remind us with what 2 prominent elder statesmen said about Excellency Right Honorable Aminu Waziri Tambuwal. The first one is the chairman himself, President Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, said this to Senator Tambuwal 4 years ago. Governor, he said, and I quote, Governor Aminu Tambuwal of Sokoto, as a dynamic, talented, and visionary leader with so many opportunities of doing much at a higher level. The second one was earlier in 2018, President Ibrahim Babangida IBB said, I am very proud of you. Tambuwal, you belong to a generation that want to keep Nigeria as one. You have a good team. You have a good team, and I have no doubt Nigeria will give you the opportunity to put your ideas for the good of the country. You are a seasoned politician who understands the challenges of the country and has the potential to fix them. I will be happy to leave Nigeria in your hands. He ended by saying, I will keep monitoring to ensure you do not deviate. At this junction, I would like to say, on behalf of myself, my dear husband, Professor Ahmed Mohamed Modibo, and the Nigerian girl child, Your Excellency, Right Honorable Amin Waziri Tambuwal, congratulations and happy 60th birthday. Thank you.